I'm here with ICO Management Services, Ian Edgerton, and we're discussing the Loop software suite. Ian, the most important investment that any business operator is going to have is in their staff. So how does Loop help salon owners to improve staff performance and create a happy, incentivised team?
I wanted to find a way to not only manage costs, but to incentivise my team. So the program, as it is now, came from the salon performance-based pay system. Salaries are the most expensive part of running a salon. So I wanted to be able to manage my business from that core cost and be able to ensure that any bonuses and rewards and systems that went in were factored into my costs from a projection point of view.
As a software suite, Loop is designed for salon owners, but members of staff can use it as well. How do they use it and what do they get from using it?
It's a very different part of the software. So the salon owner has an entire suite of stuff that they can work with. For the employee, they would log in, they can see their own performance, they can see what their targets are, they can see their benchmarks, what it is that they're working towards. This will work for them no matter what pay system is being used. But there's another feature also for employees. They click a little tab and they can see everybody else's performance. Not the numbers, not their bonuses, nothing else. It's literally just a graph that says percentage of target achieved. And this is a real driver and motivator for employees.
I use Loop through, basically they just email me at the end of my week, and then I just go through the link and just log in. Before we had Loop, I basically wasn't as target driven, but now I can literally see it every week and it just pushes me even more. And it's quite good because you can actually, on my graphs that we get sent, I can actually see how everyone else is doing, so it's quite competitive in our staff room. So it's great banter for the team as well.
How does Loop work as an interface between, to use two words, management and staff? How does it go about building a sense of team worth?
I think because the employee understands their goals and their objectives. It's quite clear on what it is that they need to do to achieve. It gives the salon owner a platform to be able to engage. It sort of detaches that emotional side of stuff about making decisions. It enables somebody to make a real business decision whilst being kind. It isn't about beating people with a stick. It's not about, oh, can we squeeze a bit more out of them? It is just, it's business. And this is what you have to achieve. And because the product gives the salon owner information, the employee information, the employer can see the information that the employee is looking at. And they have the opportunity to connect right there, to discuss. The salon owner can say, well done, John, you had a great week last week. Or well done, you've achieved your bonus already, that's tremendous. Or they could give guidance and say, you just need to do 2 extra clients and you're there. Done. I mean, it really does. It enables the salon owner to engage, and likewise, it engages the employee to come back to the salon owner to say, I'm doing well, which is great.